the trade chips and stuff. Now I'll tell you how to get how to easily get a 101 overall. So right now, yeah, 101, not 102. Sorry, this is the wrong set. This one is the one. You have to waste a lot of golds, okay? But still, first, this is what I'm doing. So you see the madness. So you need to get 399. So this is how you're getting the first 99 with the set. Get madness. You need 397 plays. Going to go to the -95 region because I'm going to do that. I'm going to get a 97 player. 2 of these 97 players. And then after that, I can go to the sets and where is it? I can go and then do the sets, put a 97 in, and I pull a 97 out of my team. 99, I already have a 99, RG Barrett, which I pulled. Then again, I can do a different 99 by buying them. And then finally for the 100 trade up, putting my player from influencers, and also 100 overall from this set that I got to get 101. Seems pretty easy. I don't want that 102 is too hard. Gonna rip some packs for you guys. CNC guys. Show some. Comment down if you think you can get the 103 Giannis. I mean, his stats aren't that good. Oh no, it's probably gonna glitch out. So tomorrow, I think I've made a video every day since last Monday. Okay, could open these packs for you guys. 84 hairs. I think that's the best overall you can get. I'm not gonna open the platinum ones because when I get the 101, oh, I got 2. That's rare. I think it's a small amount, small chance to get 2, but it doesn't seem that rare because a lot of people get it. Spencer Dinwiddie has clutch. Okay. I'm running out of golds now because of this, which I'm happy, freeing up a lot of space actually. I used to have almost like around 1,400, but after putting my silvers and golds in the sets, I only got like 900 something. 1,000. It's good to clean up the space. As we see, we're just getting some 80s to the 84 players that you see in the pack. I did get 80 overall George Gervin and 80 overall Odin from this pack. We did get an 81 Spencer with clutch. Nothing to seem, double. Pretty good. As I said, I'm not gonna open the Platinum Ultra packs because I'm gonna do that for a future video. Premier pack is available now. Let me open that after the juice. Hey, from Chinese New Year. Great campaign. Can we open our pro pack too? Oh, I opened it. Premier packs are good. Boom. Oh, triple 92s. Good. Thank you guys for watching. We're out.